Press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So in this video I would be creating this look right here. So this is a festive look and a Lohri special look. Hey my fam, how are you? And hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So yes, I have kept the makeup really simple, yet you can see it's looking beautiful and you can just recreate it like this. And I have not used like so many products, and I have just make sure that I use minimal products and I can achieve this look right here. So you can use this look for your Sankranti, for your Lohri, for anything you want, guys. This is all up to you. So yes, if you want to know how I have created this look, so keep on watching. So I have already moisturized my face with this Cetaphil moisturizer, and it is a great moisturizer. And I have also used Maybelline lip balm to slather up my lips and moisturize my lips. And now for my primer, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect primer, and I would use a very little amount, just this much. Now for my foundation, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse Hydrating Foundation, and I'm in the shade 03 Natural Almond. And this is a really nice hydrating foundation, really good for dry skin people. I would be not going for a like full coverage face. I want a nice sheer kind of a foundation look on my face because it's Lohri, so yes. And with the help of a flat kabuki brush, I would just blend it all out. I'm not using any color correction for this video because I want my look to be natural and more of a glowing look. So yes, I have skipped the color correction thing, and now let's just move on. Now for a little bit concealing under my eyes and around my mouth, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade Medium Moyen, and I would apply a very little amount of this. And that's all, guys. Now with the help of a concealer brush, I would just blend it all out. Finger is working just perfectly. Now for setting my under eyes, I'm using this ADS Luxury Banana Powder, and this is an amazing powder, guys. I just love it. And with the help of a sponge, I would just place it under my eyes. Not a lot, just to set my under eyes, and also a little bit around my mouth so that nothing creases. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil, and this is really affordable, guys. If you're searching for a product for your eyebrows, then go for this. This is really an amazing thing which like helps you a lot in grooming your eyebrows. So I have filled my eyebrows off the camera, and now moving ahead on the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now moving ahead to the eyeshadow, I would be just removing the excess powder under my eyes and around my mouth. So everything is now set, and now moving ahead to the eyeshadow, I would be using this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and with the help of a blending brush, not this, I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice brown color, really good for transition shade. So a very little amount, and just I'll be first placing it on my outer V and then dragging it inside. These are really pigmented, guys. And now using this black colored eyeshadow, this is a matte jet black eyeshadow. I would placing it on my outer V very carefully and then just slowly dragging it inside a little bit. Now from the same Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm using this color right here. This is a really beautiful maroon color. So because it's Lohri, it's a really nice festive occasion. So I want a hint of a red and maroon on my eyes. So I would be using this color. I would be placing this color on my eyelids. I would be using the leftover red eyeshadow, red maroonish eyeshadow, to just smoke up my lower lash line. Now for my eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme Insta eyeliner, and this is one of the most used eyeliner, I guess. And this is on a very affordable side and it gives you a matte finish, so this is great. Now for my mascara, I'm using my current favorite mascara, which is Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. I just love it. It gives a nice volume to my lashes, and my lashes are not so thick, they are very thin. So I need a good mascara. So yes, I have a good mascara and an affordable one also. Now for bronzing up my face, I'm using the balm from ADS, and it is Bahama Mama 3-in-1, and it has beautiful shades. It has a bronzer, it has a contour shade, and it has a highlighter shade. So I would be using this one right here, and I would be bronzing up my face a very little bit. A little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my jawline as well. Now for my blush, I'm again using this Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it has some really nice blush over here and here. So I would be going for the second number blush. This is a really nice coral kind of a shade, and because it's Lohri, so you want a nice flush of color on your cheeks. Now for my lips, I'm using this Maybelline Lip Gradation, which is the shade Red 01. This is a really beautiful shade, guys. And because Lohri is a really nice festive occasion, so I thought of going with a nice red lip. And yes, I just love the formulation. This is so creamy, so buttery soft. So you would really love it, and I would really recommend this to you if you are searching a really nice semi-matte kind of a lipstick in an affordable range. So yes, you can just go for it. And now for my highlighter, I'm again using my current favorite and my last year favorite, the Savannah colors, and I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice champagne gold sort of a shade. So I would be using the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone and also my inner corner of the eyes. And now with the help of a makeup fixer spray, which is from Mars, I would just melt all my makeup in my skin. So guys, this was my video on Lohri special festive makeup look, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the bell icon and also share with your friends and family if you like this video. So yes, this was all for this video. I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.